So I'm going to just select and delete that. So go back into the align dimension. We'll have wall faces selected. And next to that, we have pick. So currently it's on individual references. So right now we're just selecting individual references each time. So if I hit the drop down arrow, we can choose entire walls. When that's selected, you see the options button here becomes highlighted so we can use it. And now we just got to define what references we want to select. Yes, we want all of the openings to be dimensioned, but not to the center. So we don't want to go to the center of the windows and doors. We'll just go for the widths. Currently, we will just ignore the intersection for walls and grids because we don't want that to be included. So I'll press OK. Now I just have to click on the wall. It will automatically dimension the entire wall. And the only thing left for me to do is the same as we've done before. So position the dimension run where I want it to be, move the cursor away from anything so nothing can be selected, and click. Again with the wall beside, click on the wall, move the dimension run up. It will automatically snap to the other dimension run, move the cursor away from anything else, and click. So now we can run around the building doing exactly the same.